Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This video is a simple two-step process of the Heikin Ashi candlestick indicators and our buy and sell parabolic indicator. This works on all time frames, most currency pairs, and yeah, let's get started. Right now, basically, here's how to get started. There's two steps to this strategy. Number one, wait for your indicator, your Haas indicator to be oversold or overbought as such, or overbought, oversold or overbought. Give me a second, just drag this here. Oversold or overbought. And when you have those, you need to, when you have overbought right here, you need to find a sell signal from your parabolic SAR. Similar to when it's oversold right here, you need to find a sell. You need to find a buy from your parabolic SAR. All right. Now, I'm gonna just look for a few examples. Obviously, this strategy is not a 100% winning strategy. I do have strategies on my channel that are close to 100% win rate, so do check it out on my channel. So okay, cool. We had a nice oversold here, and we had a nice buy signal. As you can see, stop loss right here, and the trend indeed was very, yeah, that was a very it's a very huge trend. All right, let's keep it going. Let's look for one more. As you can see, I did find a few more. As you can see, that was oversold, and we had a sell from our parabolic SAR. That was a beautiful trade. As you can see, beautiful trade. Took. That's a beautiful trade. Oversold, and we had a buy from our parabolic SAR. That's a beautiful trade. So as you can see, it does work. Make sure to try it out on your own, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section if this is for you. Make sure to join our Telegram group where we share loads of trading ideas like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.